In this lecture, we are going to add a 3D rotation to any shapes such as a square or rectangle. So let's go to Insert and insert a rectangle. After drawing this rectangle, let us add a 3D rotation. For that, go to Drawing Tools Format tab, Shape Effects, 3D Rotation, and choose any preset that you like. Before selecting, you can even preview these presets, and then you can select the one that you like. As I said in the previous lecture, now we are also going to add a 3D depth. That is, we are going to change this 2D rectangle into a 3D cube. Now let's go to Format Shape Options and Effects and increase the depth. To go to Format Shape, you need to right click a shape and then select Format Shape. So let us increase the depth to 35 points. Okay, now we are going to customize the 3D rotation. Expand 3D rotation, and we are going to change the x-axis rotation, y-axis rotation, and z-axis too. Let's twist it by a few angles in x-axis and a few angle in y-axis, and then a few angle in z-axis too. So now we played around with this rotation and we have got a shape that I had in my mind. In the next lecture, you will learn several tips and tricks in PowerPoint grouping.